This week in marketing automation, the agentic stack arrives. 5 releases, 1 unmistakable throughline. Pulse score, top 5 Stensul leads the chart. OneSignal right behind, AWeber and Kit climbing. Customer, EO rides in as one wildcard worth tracking. Up first, Stensul rewrites the email builder. The story, governance moves to the front of the workflow. Stensul's headline lands direct governance by default. Today, accessibility audits arrive too late. Build, review, audit fails, rework starts. Enter accessibility QA check on demand. Their first governance agent runs WCAG checks live. Checks happen inside the canvas in real time. Low contrast, missing alt text, broken headings flagged the moment they appear. On the canvas, explained on the side. The outcome inclusive by default. Stensul calls it governed creation, available now. Next up, OneSignal opens its messaging stack to the agents. Translation, customer engagement in plain English. The old way demanded expertise, clicks, dashboards, handcrafted segments. That changes starting this week. OneSignal unveils an MCP server in open beta. Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT plugs straight in. A toolkit across messaging, segments, templates, analytics callable from a chat. Inside the app, OneSignal AI answers in plain English. Which segments are growing fastest? Ask the assistant. Pull warehouse data, build the segment. Write the copy, schedule the send. All in one chat, no tab switching. Open beta is live right now. AWeber takes the same prompt-first leap on sign-up forms. AI Signup Form Builder lands in open beta. Building forms used to demand developers, designers, hours of work. Now you describe the form in plain English. A multi-step newsletter sign-up with a 3D animated button. Plain English in, working form out. Start from a prompt, a guided builder, even a screenshot. Animated pop-ups, multi-step flows, visibility rules from one sentence. Forms you used to hire for. Try it at awbeber.com. Kit follows the same script, but through MCP. Kit MCP enters public beta, a direct conversational bridge between Kit and any MCP assistant. Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, no glue code in sight. Ask plain English questions of subscribers, broadcasts, and sequences. Which broadcast pulled the highest open rate? Real answers from your live Kit data. Create tags, segment the audience, draft sequences. Insight to action without leaving the assistant. Available today across every paid Kit account. Setup takes under 2 minutes, no extra cost. Open settings, integrations, MCP and connect. Skip the export and eyeball loop entirely. Now the heaviest swing of the week, Gumloop. And the spotlight isn't on features. Gumloop introduces hosting for your own MCP servers. Fully configured, fully monitored, no separate stack to run. Or proxy any external MCP through one gateway. Every tool your agents reach goes through one place. App rules govern every call in plain English. Block anything that writes outside engineering. Require approval before production database mutations. Activity logs every request in detail. Allowed policy hold, allowed line by line. And for enterprise, data drains stream it all out. Amazon S3, BigQuery, your warehouse. Continuously, every call, every decision. MCP infrastructure governed end-to-end. Live now at gumloop.com/changelog. It's a runtime story, not a workflow one. And the release the agentic era demands. Watch the changelog stack up below. MCP artifacts, speech-to-text, lazy tool loading. Per app account selection, edit skill files. A team building Rails, not Surface. Connect Slack, set scopes, watch the activity stream. Every call accountable, every action governed. Gumloop's bet governance is the product. And the rest of the stack will follow. The week's biggest move, on paper and in scope. Closing the chart customer, EO's wildcard move. Design Studio learns to read the web. Before this release, global styles came only from your sending domain. Now paste any public URL. A campaign page, a product site, a customer reference. The AI extracts colors, typography, spacing in seconds. Out comes a complete design system. Ready for every email, every message, every journey. One link in, a whole design system out. Design Studio, global styles, generate from website. Released May 21st, live today. More impact from every channel that's customer, EO's pitch. And the wildcard truly lands. That's marketing automation, week of May 25th. 5 releases, 1 arc, the agent moves to the front. I'm SparkPulse, see you next week.